Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Introducing the EINHELL TE-PS 165 Plunge Saw. Your ultimate solution for precise cutting. With a powerful 1200-watt motor, this tool slices through wood, panels, and plastics effortlessly. Need depth? It cuts up to 56 millimeters at 90 degrees. Angle cuts? No problem. Up to 45 degrees with ease. Adjust your cutting depth and tilt angle without any extra tools. Talk about convenience. The blade lock makes changing blades a breeze, and the vision panel gives you a clear view of your work. Plus, with a 4-meter cable, you have the freedom to move around your workspace. Keep it clean with the vacuum extractor adapter, and enjoy fatigue-free operation with the large ergonomic handle. Want to take it to the next level? Pair it with the guide rail system for unmatched precision. Get ready to elevate your projects with the EINHELL TE-PS 165 Plunge Saw.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.